UDP, User Datagram Protocol, is an example of a connectionless protocol. Because UDP does not support a three-way handshake while establishing a network connection, it is referred to as an unreliable or best effort protocol. Is this true or false? Well, let's break this down a little bit. So we have UDP as an example of connectionless protocol. What does that mean? Unlike TCP, which is transmission control protocol, which we've talked about before, TCP is very reliable. Transmission control protocol is great for reliability. It's a little bit slower, and if we want something fast, we use UDP. So again, unlike TCP, which establishes a connection, a strong connection, before transmitting data, UDP is going to send packets and stuff without any kind of prior setup, without any confirmation. Think about when you drop off a postcard at the office or a post office. You really have no way of knowing when it will arrive. You don't. Versus TCP being like email. You know that your email sent when it says sent and it doesn't give you an error. So that's UDP. It is an example of a connectionless protocol. Now, the next part is because UDP does not support a three-way handshake, and this is good because it's correct. UDP does not make use of a three-way handshake or really any form of handshaking or connection establishment. This makes it faster than TCP because it doesn't have to be like, TCP doesn't have to go from the server. Okay, let's find a client. Okay, our client is here. Are you there, client? Client's like, yeah, okay, I'm here. All right, TCP, can you hear me? TCP is like, yeah, I can hear you. Back and forth, that handshake, right? There's no handshake there. So that means it's much faster than TCP, but of course, that means it's less reliable. Now we have, it is referred to as an unreliable or best effort protocol. This is also true because, like we said previously, UDP does not guarantee delivery, order, or integrity of data. All of that is for TCP. So UDP is considered unreliable. It's a best effort protocol, meaning it tries to deliver the data to the best that it can, but hey, it makes no promises. So these characteristics make UDP suitable for applications where speed is more important than reliability, such as streaming video or online gaming. In those cases, if you lose a few packets, that's fine. You're still going to get everything back and forth as long as you know that you can confirm the connection. Whereas TCP will confirm the connection for you, but the overhead is costly. So this would be true.